Fish on, guys. Ooh. Lance! Who does that? But. Yo! Fish on, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. That is it. I know, got fish on, guys. Let me get some brighter light in so you guys can see what's going on. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Nice snapper. Back to the channel, guys. Big up yourselves. Thank you for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Please like, share, subscribe. A little bit of after work fishing this evening, guys. We're linking up with my cousins, Taryn and Lance. And let me show you them over here. I got two cousins right here. I got Lance right here. I got Taryn down here. In the background, we're doing a little bit of even drop, guys. Trying to see if we can pick up some snappers tonight. So stay tuned tonight, guys. Definitely going to try to get a big hookup for you guys and see what we can pick up tonight on the over-under rigs drop line about 20-30 yards offshore. See what monsters we can hook up on. You remember that last hookup I hooked up on, right? Stay tuned. We're going to get something tonight. Alright, guys? Stay Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Fish on, guys. Ooh. Got a fish on, guys. Yeah, guys, got him. Got him, guys. Fish on, Jamaican shore fishing. Ooh. What the hell that is? That look like a stingray. Damn stingray, bro. Oh no? A boxfish. A boxfish, bro. This is the first I've ever caught one of these on hook. A buck. Jamaican shore fishing. Buck. Lance. Who does that? Buck. Yo. Cuz, I feel this one. Buck one line. Can't have that one here, no, cuz. Well, me a roast in Ross. Yeah, buck, guys. Look at this. Oh, let me not drop my rod. Jamaican shore fishing with a buck. Woo woo. Who does that, guys? Buck. Let's get it. Lance is like, they're too hard to deal with. Let me get him off. I felt him on there, guys. Yeah. Let's get the hook out. Yeah. Bait's expensive. We're gonna get a buck. Buck. Stay there, buck. Oh, you bucking? Buck like the squid. Going out again, guys. I know there's a little reef off that side right there. Drop the alarm back on them. That's that, Taryn. Yo, the rarest fish on a hook and line. I've caught a lionfish online. Remember when we went to Port Royal? Yeah. I've caught a puffer fish on a lure. That was crazy. That was another one. Yeah. On the soft plastic. He went at it and then bam. I was like, oh shit. A buck.
A fight.
Yeah, he gave a fight. He kept on going sideways and whoop whoop, put on the little shakes and everything. That little motherfucker's spunky. That was the first. That's good luck though. That means that we have to get something rare in this bitch. And the wind and weather been on us, so the weather's just eased up today. So they'll come right through that channel right there and come right in. I shrimp head them wishing on a chuck out there. Once they start smelling shrimp head out there, you know, man. Problems in the boy. Me know, man. We get a little coil in the lands. Got a nice hit on the line a while ago, guys. Lance is going down to cast out. Aaron's baiting back up again. So we're just waiting on everybody. Hey Lance, you wet up your sneakers, man. Yeah, cool, man. Yeah. Yeah. So. Yeah. Cool, man. Yeah. Yeah. No, man. I made that video. Well, go up on my YouTube channel. You'll see a whole heap of fish from me catch around here.
What?
Jamaican shore fishing.
Jamaican shore fishing.
Yeah. But yeah, man. Alright, cool, man. There, guys. So, watch out this big line now. Head down here, cast out where Lance is, get a little bit further out so I can get my rod up. So I got to get all the way underneath all these rods and get to that water out there and cast them out. So yeah, I gotta get wet. Get underneath these lines and get up on these rocks right here without getting soaked. So I'm getting that water over my boots. Man, them cut one lead up on the tree, so I hit me climb up.
Okay.
Here guys, I just woohoo! Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on guys. Yeah man. Yeah guys, that is it. I now got fish on guys. Let me get some brighter light in so you guys can see what's going on. Haha! Yeah Lionel. Bring him in. Where you at? Tell me where you at so I can go get it. Do we need a gaff? Huh? Come off. Yeah. Shit. Damn, man. We're right there?
Yeah.
Channel star.
Eel.
Look like a eel. It look like one of your favorite creatures.
Look like a eel.
Yeah, look like you wind up. Like you take a wine by your lands. Yeah guys, so Lance had a fish on but he got off. So we're doing a little bit of night fishing guys, me and Terra and Lance. And we're there. T-Lou there. Have him line set. Even when I line them set, I have bait on them guys. Night caught us and we're here. Set up and just waiting for the next bite. Lance got a bite but he got off. Looked like a eel got him. Based on that knot that I see of his rig. That's that wind up, twist around, bend around, take off your line, tear up your hook, all kind of sitting. You feel the slime, bunny? Yeah. Come on. Is that a drone or a plane? That looks like a plane. Taking off. Waiting on something to pick up on one of these lines. It is now 7 o'clock. 6:53 going on 7. Can't turn on my car now. I run the standing light. Yeah, me I want a ring light. Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourselves. Move to a different spot. Part 2 of the night fishing, and I'm getting hit already, guys. You hear that? Listen up. Yellow line's gonna hit it again tonight. That's right. We got something on. Let's see what's up. I think we got something on. We got something on here, guys. Something's messing with that squid. Let's see what's up. Oh, let that one rest that way a little bit. Something's hitting it, but it's not on it. Get some more bait to get on meantime. Yeah, I gotta get some more bait out.
Those are squid.
Yeah.
I want to do something like this.
Yeah.
steady bite.
No, I'm there, you know. Fish is on it. I'm sure there's a fish on it. I'm gonna show you. He's on it. I can feel him on it. But he's small. He's not that big. He's a small fish. He's like a quarter pounder. Come off. You were just eating off my bait. See?
Yeah.
Just want to look a piece of bait upon you when I try to take off. And the other one them gone to by now.
Yeah, I mean, you know, vibration.
I'm swift, man. This is pier 1 and fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Nice snapper. Little snapper. Yeah, guys. Woof woof. Told you it was a little one.
They might take a bait.
How big are you? Oh shit, you just made it.
Uncle, yeah, man, take care, man.
Big up yourself here, bro.
One of the day we see it.
Yeah, man. Remember to check out the channel here.
No problem.
Jamaican shore fishing on YouTube.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, guys, so we just got ourselves a little snapper. Out night fishing with Terran and Lance, guys. Terran and Lance is right there. They done got set up. Yeah. Playing with my feelings till he got knocked. Eh? Wagwan. Cool, man.